Hello all. So now let's discuss ICH-Q series guidelines from Module 1 of QCQ. The contents of this presentation include introduction, ICH-Q series guideline representation, description of Q1 to Q7, and then description of Q8 to Q14 guideline followed by Q&A session. So ICH guidelines are a set of guidance to ensure safe, effective and high quality medicines are developed and registered efficiently. These guidelines have been adopted by regulatory authorities throughout the world. The four set of ICH guidelines include QSEM, where Q stands for quality guidelines, S stands for safety guidelines, E stands for efficacy guidelines, and M stands for multidisciplinary guidelines. So, what are quality guidelines? Harmonization achievements in quality area include pivotal milestones such as the conduct of stability studies, defining relevant thresholds for impurity testing, and more flexible approach to pharmaceutical quality based on good manufacturing practices, risk management. Safety guidelines. ICH has produced a comprehensive set of safety guidelines to uncover the potential risks like carcinogenicity, genotoxicity, and reprotoxicity. A recent breakthrough has been a non-clinical testing strategy for assessing the QT interval prolongation liability, the single most important cost of drug withdrawals in recent years. Coming to efficacy guidelines, the work carried out by ICH under the efficacy heading is concerned with the design, conduct, safety, and reporting of clinical trials. It also covers novel types of medicines derived from biotechnological process and the use of pharmacogenetics or genomic techniques to produce better targeted medicines. M stands for multidisciplinary. Those are the cross-cutting topics which do not fit uniquely into one of the quality, safety, and efficacy categories. It includes the ICH medical terminology, the common technical document, and the development of electronic standards for the transfer of regulatory information. Coming to the quality guidelines in specific, they are respectively from Q1 to Q14, where Q1A to F includes stability, Q2 includes analytical validation, Q3 is for impurities, Q4 is for pharmacopoeias, Q5 is quality of biotechnological products, Q6 is specifications, and Q7 is GMP, Q8 is for pharmaceutical development, Q9 is quality risk management, Q10 is pharmaceutical quality systems, and Q11 is development and manufacture of drug substances, Q12 is life cycle management, Q13 is continuous manufacturing of drug substance and drug products, Q14 includes analytical procedure development. So what are the sub guidelines included in Q1? They are Q1A R2 is the stability testing of new drug substances and products. Q1B is stability testing, that is photo stability testing of new drug substances and products. Q1C is stability testing for new dosage forms. Q1D is bracketing and matrixing designs for stability testing of new drug substances and products. Q1E stands for evaluation of stability data, and Q1F is for stability data package for registration application in climatic zones 3 and 4. Q2R1 is validation of analytical procedures, that is text and methodology. And coming to Q3, under Q3, Q3A-R2 is for impurities in new drug substances, Q3B-R2 is new impurities in new drug products, Q3C-R5 is impurities guideline for residual solvents, and Q3D is also impurities where the guidance is guideline for elemental impurities. In Q4 is pharmacopoeias. Under this, Q4A is pharmacopoeial harmonization. Q4B is evaluation and recommendation of pharmacopoeial text for use in ICH regions. Q4B Annex 1 R1 is residue on ignition or sulfated ash general chapter. Q4B Annex 2 R1 is test for extractable volume of parental preparation general chapter, and Q4B Annex 3 R1 is test for particulate contamination subvisible particles general chapter. Q4B Annex 4A R1 is microbiological examination of non-sterile products, which includes microbial enumeration tests General Chapter. Q4B Annex 4B includes Microbiological Examination of Non-Sterile Products, Tests for Specified Microorganisms. General Chapter. Q4B Annex 4C Microbiological Examination of Non-Sterile Products, Acceptance Criteria for Pharmaceutical Preparations and Substances for Pharmaceutical Use in General Chapter. Q4B Annex 5 R1 is Disintegration Test General Chapter. Q4B Annex 6 R1 is Uniformity of Dosage Units General Chapter. Q4B Annex 7 R2 Dissolution Test General Chapter. Q4B Annex 8 R1 Stability Test General Chapter. Q4B Annex 9 R1 Tablet Friability General Chapter. Q4B Annex 10 R1 Polyacrylamide Gel Electrophoresis General Chapter. Q4B Annex 11 Capillary Electrophoresis General Chapter. Q4B Annex 12 is Analytical Sieving General Chapter. Q4B Annex 13 is Bulk Density and Tap Density of Powders General Chapter. Q4B Annex 14 is Bacterial Endotoxin Test General Chapter. Coming to Q5, under Q5, Q5B is Quality of Biotechnological Products. Q5C is Quality of Biotechnological Products, Quality of Biotechnological. Q5D derivation and characterization of cell substances used for production of biotechnological or biological products. Q5E is comparability of biotechnological or biological products subject on charges in their manufacturing process. Q6 includes Q6A, that is specifications, test procedures and acceptance criteria for new drug substances and new drug products, chemical substances. Q6B is specifications, test procedure and acceptance criteria for biotechnological or biological products. Q7 is good manufacturing guide for active pharmaceutical ingredients, and Q8 R2 is pharmaceutical development. Q9, as we all know, it is quality risk management, and Q10 includes pharmaceutical quality systems. Q11 is development and manufacture of drug substances, chemical entities, biotechnological or biological entities, and Q12 is life cycle management. Q13 is continuous manufacturing of drug and cosmetics. Q14 is analytical procedure development. Now coming to the question answer part, let's pause and try answering the following questions. What are ICH guidelines? What are ICH Q9 and Q12 guidelines? And what are multidisciplinary guidelines meant for? So this is all in brief about ICH Q series guidelines. Hope you have got a clear idea about this guidelines. Thank you.